We made it to our destination, Pelican Bay on Channel Islands. We are currently double anchored. So we have one anchor in the bow and then another anchor back here. Hi, Kona. So that keeps us from swinging into that massive rock wall and into our other friends who are here. So hopefully that works out. Hey Kona, you enjoying the sunrise? What did you catch there?
I don't know yet. I think it's a perch, maybe. I don't know. Sea bass. I don't know, but it was not an endangered species list, so I shot it.
Nice. And you just caught it right here. Hey, we're still in the Channel Islands on Santa Cruz. This is a little Skorpion anchorage. It's pretty cool, hey? So lots of rocks, beautiful sunset. It's really calm. We're gonna do some hiking in the area, some kayaking, because there's a lot of cool caves to explore. So pretty stoked to be here. Hey, Kaale, do you like playing fetch?
Hey, little buddy.
Hey, Foxy Fox.
Those are really colorful flowers. They're only grow here on the island. That's why they're so beautiful.
And the leaves? Coca?
Some bream there. That's good. So here on the Wandersailing channel, food, you can make your own pizza. If you want to know how to make your own base dough on board, multi-grain, tell us more about this pizza, Caroline.
It's really simple. It's really just whole wheat flour, baking soda, some active yeast, some salt, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of love, and some heat. Lots of time to let the yeast rise, and we have a nice organic whole wheat homemade pizza crust.
How excited are you? Woo!
Always stoked.
Okay. Let the flags fly. Let them know we're Canadian.
Hey guys!
There is a guy fishing. Hey, sit down. Jonah, sit down.
Hey, hey! We are kayaking, just checking out these sweet little coves right here. Black Dragon just over here.
Way up.
Yeah, and there's some good current.
Kona is getting some baiting. How's the life on the boat, Kona, in the Channel Islands? Hey, Kona, how is it? You like it? Some baiting? Taking naps all day? Going on paddleboards? Ain't too bad.
Caroline's first time supping this year. Ah!
It's good. Just keep your. You're doing perfect. You're keeping your weight forward. That's the way to do it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Cool. How many fish did you guys catch today?
3. Well,
Holy.
this is definitely a big one. Bo spotted it and he shot it right in the head. Knock him out.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Kona, are you excited? She's like, I want to. Good morning from the Channel Islands. It's our last morning here. We're about to embark on a 12-hour ride home. Not home, to LA. I'm so tired I can't even talk. We had a pretty rolly night. Rough night, hey Kona?
Next time, we spend some time in Hollywood and LA, discover Redondo Beach, and continue way down south.
Thank you so much for all the patrons to make this adventure possible. Please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.